Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Google Pixel 7i. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and receive next to Send at the bottom of Google. Also on Pixel 7a, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Realme. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top, and from them choose all of your files to transfer. You can select multiple ones at once by clicking on those type of dots at the top left corners, or just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up, sorry, and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Google Pixel. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. If you wish to input this key though, click on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers and connect by choosing Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!